A warm good morning to each and every students of second standard. Are you fine? Okay, then we can start our EVS classes. Then I am your Divya ma'am. I am teaching EVS for you. Okay, then you all are familiar with the textbook, I know. Then now our first lesson we can start. What is the first lesson? Our environment. Ready? So we want to know what is environment, and before that we can go for a walk outside. Let us go for a walk. Dear children, are you ready? Okay, let us go. We can see tree, flowers, then water, it may be river, then mountain of rocks, then we can see milk packets of milk, then vegetables, then fruits, different kinds of fruits we can see. Then when we come back we can see telephone, music instruments, clock, etc. So, when we go outside, we saw a lot of things. We are outside, then we can see many things. So, these things, all the things around us, we can say the environment. So, the environment is all the things around us. That we can say environment. Okay, so this word is a new word for you. I think it is a lengthy word also. So you want to learn the spellings. The learning spelling is some difficulty, isn't it? Are you ready to learn the spelling of environment? Okay, we can cut this environment into many pieces. We can cut it into 4 pieces. Then is it easy to learn? Okay, then are you ready? Then what? All of you read the spelling first. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. How can we say environment? Ready? Then we can learn the spelling. I cut it. E-N. All of you read. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. All of you say E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. All of you can clap also. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. Are you ready? Okay. One more time we can say. We can sing the spelling. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. Okay? All of you learn? Then sing with me. All of you sing with me. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. Ready? Sing. All of you sing. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. Clear? Then you should sing it every day and learn the spelling. Then we can go to the things around us. The environment, many things are there. We see. What all things we see? We see the tree. We see the tree. Then we see flowers and water or a river. Then mountain or rocks. Then we see milk, vegetables, fruits, telephone, music instruments, clock, etc. Okay? From these things, we can see that some of the things are occur in nature. When we look them, they are Nobody made it. It is already there on the nature. Like trees. Trees, anybody made the trees? No. It is grow there. It is growing. Nobody made it. Then flowers. Flowers also is already there. So it is coming from, it is in the nature itself. It is there. River. Anybody made the river? No. Then fruits. What about fruits? Fruits also produced on the trees. Nobody made it. And vegetables also like that. Then mountain. Mountain, somebody made the mountain? No, it is naturally occurring on the earth. Okay? Then the sun. What about the sun? Somebody made it? No. It is present in the nature. It is occurring the nature. That is why these things are called natural things. Okay, so the things which are occurring in nature are called natural things. Nobody made it. It is already there on the earth. Which are the natural things? You can see many examples around you. When you look outside, you can see many examples. What about birds? Birds also, animals also, all are natural things. Clear? So, can you say the examples? Which are the natural things? Trees, mountains, flowers, river, fruits, vegetables, sun, plants, animals. Then that like everything we can say they all are natural things. Then what may be the man-made things? What may be man-made things? Many man-made things are there. When you look in front of you, what all things you can see? Your book. Somebody made it. The man, human beings made it. In the factory, like that places, they made it. This pen, somebody made it. We can make it. Okay, so that like many things. Your pencil, your eraser, your book, everything, stool, your chair, everything. So many things are there. They all are made by human beings. So, they are called man-made things. Okay? Man-made things are pencil. Read all of you. Pencil, pen, table, chair, road, ships. These all are man-made things. Man-made things are made by human beings. Now, all of you look at your textbook. You can see there is an activity for you in the textbook. Ma'am will read, all should repeat it. Okay. Take a walk around your school playground. All of you read, take a walk around your school playground. Observe the things that you see around you. Did you see the following? So, what all things you see outside when we go for a walk? What all things you see? So, what we want to do? Put a tick if you think they breathe. All of you keep your finger and read. Put a tick. What we want to put? What we want to put tick? If you think they breathe, they eat food and they grow. Which all things will breathe, eat food and grow? What can you say? What we can do? And you should put a cross if they do not breathe, they do not eat food, they do not grow. What we can do? Can you say answers? 4 pictures are there in your textbook. You want to put tick if it is breathe. What is breathing? Take air through our nose. So which all things are breathing and eat food and grow? So these three features, which are things we can put tick. All of you get answers? Which all things we will put tick? First one is a boy. Boy can breathe. Boy eat food. Boy grow. Yeah, so we can put a tick on this boy. All of you put a tick on this column. Clear? Then what is next? This is a tree. Tree can breathe. Tree eat food. And tree can grow. Yes, this all things we will learn in this lesson. Okay, so give a tick mark for this. Tree will grow, that you know. Tree will grow, that you know. Okay, then next picture, what is this? This is rocks or stones. So it will grow, it will breathe, it can eat food. No, so put a cross mark for this. Okay, next is sun. The sun. Sun can breathe? Sun eat food? Or sun grow? No. So this also cross. Clear? Everybody? Then we can go through the textbook. All of you keep your finger and read with me. Okay. Don't take your finger from there. All of you read loudly. Listen. All the things, all of you read, all the things around us form our environment. Okay? All the things around us form our environment. Then, our environment consists of air, water, soil, plants, birds, people, animals, the sun, mountains, roads, buildings, and many other things around us. Okay, so what all things are there in the environment? Environment consists of air, water, soil, plants, birds, people, many things are there in the environment. Okay, then we see the things may be natural things or maybe man-made things. So we can learn about natural things. Some of the things. All of you read. Some of the things in our environment, such as mountains, the sun, plants, stones. Are you reading, all of you? Read well, everybody. Read loudly. Then keep your finger also. Then only you can identify the words. Then only you can read, identify and read well. Okay. And rivers occur in nature. So what all things are occur in nature? Some of the things like a mountain, sun, plants, stones, rivers, etc. are occur in nature. Okay? Then they are not made by human beings. Clear? Things that occur in nature are called natural things. Clear? Natural things spelling N-A-T-U-R-A-L. All of you say N-A-T-U-R-A-L T-H-I-N-G-S things. N-A-T-U-R-A-L natural T-H-I-N-G-S things. Learn it well. Sing like a song and learn it well. Then we talk about natural things. Then we can see the examples. First picture. Understand what is the first picture? Mountain. Mountain is a natural thing. Then next is a river. You can see the spelling of river there. What is the spelling of river? R-I-V-E-R. River. All of you learned it, I think. Then next is stones. Then sun. These all are natural things. Nobody made these things. These are already occur in nature. Okay. So mountain, river, stones, sun. All are natural things. Clear? Okay, we can go to the next. What is that? Man-made things. Some of the things, repeat all of you. Some of the things in our environment, such as the roads, buildings, boats, ships, tables, pens and pencils are made by human beings. Clear? So, the things in the environment such as road, building, boats, ship, table, pens, these all are made by human beings. Such things are called man-made things. You can see these all. So, it is no doubt about it. Man-made, these all are made by human being. Clear? All of you get? Okay. Then today we learned about our environment. What we learned? Our environment. So it's spelling. All of you say it one more time. What is the spelling of environment? E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T. Environment. All of you clap and study the spellings. All of you say one more time. Okay, very good children. You learned it. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T. Environment. Okay. Then all the things around us form the environment. Okay. Next we learned about natural things. What is the spelling of natural things? N-A-T-U-R-A-L-T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. All of you say N-A-T-U-R-A-L-T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. Natural things. Natural things. Maybe many natural things are there. Sun, clouds, plants, animals, human beings, all are natural things. Then we learned about man-made things. Man-made things. Man, M-A-N, M-A-D-E-T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. Okay. Man-made things. Clear? So these all are we are learning today. Then one box is there. One activity box is there. That also we can do. All of you listen your textbook. Tick the correct answer. It's a very small box you can see in the right side of your textbook. All of you keep your finger and read it. All the things, repeat, all the things around us form our dash. The answers, the options are there. Environment, home, school, cities. What is the answer? All the things around us. All the things around us form our environment. Very good. First one is the answer. All of you tick. Put a tick upon it. Okay. Then we can go to the next question. Things. All of you read. Things that occur in nature are called dash. The options: natural, man-made, new, artificial. What we can say the answer? Things that occur in nature. Very good. Natural things. What is the spelling of natural things? N-A-T-U-R-A-L-T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. Okay. Natural things. Okay. All of you understand? Clear? Okay. Very good, children. You can try to read your textbook 1 or 2 or 3 times. Okay, then we can study spellings and all. Later you read and learn the spellings. Then later we can write in your notebook. Okay, today's class over. Thank you.